Can I have a kiss? I love you so much. Hey, Twinkie. Hey, Twinkie, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Why is your beak all sticky? Why is your beak all sticky? You want to say because I had a Rice Krispie treat on Tasty Tuesday? Is that why? Is that why your beak is sticky? No answer because you know you're guilty. Yeah, but that's okay though. You want more? Yeah.
Nuna, look at your stance right now. That is the sexiest stance I've ever seen in my whole life. Look at that. Look at that. Look, what do you call that? What do you call that? What is that stance? It's like extra wide, like so sexy. Like I can't even. Did you know that today is also National Pet Bird Day? Did you know? Did you know? Well, it is. And you are the best burb in the whole world. Yes, you are, with your sexy stance. What do you think about that? Yeah.
Hey, Twinkie. Hey, Twinkie, guess what? Today's Sexy Saturday. Did you know that?
What are you doing?
I'm asking you if you knew that today is the big day. It's Sexy Saturday. Yeah. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come back. Show everybody how sexy you are. Come here. Yes, come here. Twinkie, where you? Twinkie.
Listen to his feet on this floor. I can't. It's so cute. Come here. Come here. He's cute.